Guys, we want to solve and graph the solution here, right? So we have absolute value of negative 3x plus 6 greater than 18. So combination of absolute value and inequality, this is a very interesting problem, right? So let's go for it. So we have negative 3x plus 6, all right, which is going to be greater than positive 18, or negative 3x plus 6 less than negative 18. So this is how we set them up. Negative 3x plus 6 greater than positive 18, or negative 3x plus 6 less than negative 18. So when it comes to the negative 18, it's less than. When it comes to the positive of the 18, it's greater than. So that's the first thing you need to pay attention to. Now, second thing is once we go for it now, so we have negative 6, right? We all know how to do that. So we have negative 3x greater than what? What is 18? Minus 6 is positive 12. And then what are we solving for? X. So that means we got to get rid of negative 3. So by dividing negative 3 both sides, but ladies and gentlemen, another tip here. Anytime the number right in the front of the variable here, the coefficient is a negative number, we automatically going to switch the inequality to the opposite. So this is greater than. So what's going to happen? This is x less than. Then this one is negative 4. This is our solution. And again, because of the negative sign in front of the variable, it switches or shifts the inequality to the opposite. But if these were to be positive 3x, the inequality would never change. All right? So let's go to the second now, so that you can get another application of it. So negative 6 here, right? Then you have negative 3x less than what? What is negative 18? Negative 6. It's going to give us negative 24. All right? Because you got to add and keep the sign. And then the same thing here, we have to divide both of them by negative 3. So again, the sign, the symbol got to change to the opposite. So this one is positive what? 8. Okay? So this one automatically is x greater than 8. All right? So again, if this were to be a positive 3x, this sign would never change. Okay? Now we're not finished because we got to graph the solution, right? So let's go for it. So this is what we have. We have 0 here, positive infinity, negative infinity. So we have positive 8 somewhere over here. And then we have negative 4 somewhere over here. So let's do negative 4, right? So x less than negative 4. So that means all the numbers less than negative 4. So here we are. All those numbers going to the left or west. And then when it comes to x greater than 8, so we keep it empty for both of them because there's no equal sign to the inequality signs, right? So then this one is greater than, so all numbers greater than positive 8 are going east or to the right side, okay? And this is it, ladies and gentlemen. So go back, take your time, check it out, you'll be fine, okay? Take care.